Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Acihelminthes. The phylum Acihelminthes or Nematihelminthes or Nematoda includes roundworms. They are commonly called as nematodes. The term Acihelminthes was proposed by Gorban. The body of Acihelminthes is circular in cross section, hence the name as roundworms. They may be free living, aquatic and terrestrial, parasitic in plants and animals. Roundworms have organ body level of organization. Now let us discuss the general features of this phylum. These are mostly free living and may occur in water or within the soil. There are several parasitic species which live in within the body of animals or plants. Examples: Junia worms, whipworms, eyeworms, etc. They show bilateral symmetry and have organ system level of organization. There are triploblastic animals and have tube within tube body plan. The body wall contains an outer cuticle, syncytial epidermis and a muscle layer. Circular muscles are absent. Acihelminthes are pedusocollomids as the cavity are present between the body wall and gut is not lined by mesodermal epithelium. Circulatory and respiratory system are also seen to be present in Acihelminthes. Digestive system alimentary canal is complete with a well developed muscular pharynx in digestive system. Excretory system consists of a pair of gland cells or intracellular canals or both. Nerve system contains a nerve ring around the pharynx with the dorsal and ventral longitudinal nerve cord running throughout the length of the body. Nematodes reproduce only by a sexual method. Sexes are separated and exhibit sexual dimorphism. The males are generally smaller than females to aid copulation. Fertilization is internal. The fertilized eggs develop directly or indirectly through larva that undergoes molting and finally grows into adults. Advancement over Platyhelminthes. These Acihelminthes show advancement over flatworms as they contain complete alimentary canal and sexes are separate. Now let us discuss the classification of this Platyhelminthes. Class Plasmidia, mostly parasitic, possess a pair of unicellular pouch-like sense organs called plasmids. Another pair of reduced pore-like sense organs called amphids, present near to the anterior end. Excretory system with parieid lateral canals. Caudal glands are absent. Examples of this class are Ascarius, Enterobiosis, Vulcheria, etc. The orders of this Phasmidia are Rhabditidia. They have smooth and ring cuticle. There is a posterior lobe at pharynx. There are free living and parasitic. The males have a copulatory spicules. Example: rhabdids. Strongylidia. These are vertebrate parasites devoid of lips. The pharynx has no bulb. They have a well-developed buccal capsule. They possess a through copulatory drusa. Example: Strongylus. Next one, order Oxyuridia. They can be small or moderate in size. Males have a copulatory spicules. Caudal algae are present. They can be invertebrates or vertebrates. They consist of 3 to 4 simple leaves. Example: Oxyruis. Next one is Ascaridida. These are oviparous, large nematodes living as parasites in the intestine of vertebrates. The pharynx may or may not contain a posterior bulb. mouth possess 3 permanent lips. There is no buccal capsule. Examples are Ascarius. Next one is Spiroridea. These are thread-like organisms that vary in size from moderate to large. The pharynx is devoid of bulb. The females are larger than males, can be oviparous or viviparous. The mouth contains 2 permanent lips, for example. Examples of this Spirura. Next one is Trichurodia. These are commonly known as whipworms. They possess a cylinder pharynx with the mouth devoid of lips. Example Trichurius. Next one is Camelandia. These are oviparous thread-like organisms. The males have no brusa. The brusa of adult females is degenerated. Examples Camelanus. Next, let us discuss about class Edinosporia. The Edinosporia was a class of nematoda, is also called as roundworms, mostly small free-living organisms. No plasmids are present. Amphids are present, spiral, rod-like or disc-like and seldom pore-like structures. No lateral excretory canals are present. Caudal glands are present. Examples of this are Trichinella, Capillaria, etc. Again, the class Edinospora is divided into the following orders. First one is Anophilia. There are mostly marine. The cuticle contains bristles. These are Ganthiforms amphids. Examples Anticoma. Next one is Drolylamidia. The cuticle is smooth without any bristles. There are mostly terrestrial. The buccal cavity consists of protrusible sphere. It contains of 6 to 10 labial papillae. Examples Trichodorius. Next one is Myrmidea. The cuticle is small. Amphids are reduced in the larval stage. They live as parasites where the adult stage is free living. Example Merimes, etc. The next order is Chromodorida. In these organisms, the cuticle is smooth and ringed. The cuticle is devoid of any bristles. There is a posterior bulb at the pharynx. There are free living or marine. For example, Paracanthocos. Now let us discuss the order of Desmoscolicidia. In these organisms, the cuticle is ringed with permanent bristles. There are 4 sensory bristles at the anterior end. There are marine or free living. For example, Desmoscolex. Now let us discuss about order Monohysteridia. In these organisms, the cuticle is smooth and containing bristles. They possess circular amphids. They can be marine, freshwater or terrestrial. Example Monohysteria. Now let us discuss about the class Areolamidia. The cuticle is smooth and may or may not contain bristles. Amphids are spiral. This possess a labial papillae. Example Pilec. Let us discuss the disease caused by Achy-Helminthes. Achy-Helminthes or nematodes causes following diseases in humans. Ascaris or gained intestinal roundworm is an endoparasitic of small intestine of humans. It causes ascariasis. Wuchereria or filaria worm in an endoparasite in the lymphatic vessel or lymph nodes of human. Wuchereria or viral worms is present in an endoparasitic in the lymphatic vessel and lymph nodes of human. It causes elephantitis in the legs, arms, scrotums, etc. Loa, the eye worm, lives in the subdermal connective tissue of man. It causes Luyasis disease characterized by subcutaneous swelling mostly around the eyes. Ancylostoma. Ancylostoma or hookworm is an endoparasite. It is present in the small intestine of humans. It causes ancylostomatitis diseases. Trichinella or Trichinia worm is found in small intestine of human beings and some other animals like pigs, domestic animals or rodents. It causes trichiniolosis. Next one is enterobiosis or pinworms is found in cecum, colon or vermiform appendix of humans. Thank you.